This is a Washita Oilstone. It is lapped and chamfered on both sides, given a wide chamfer in places to get around chipping. One wide chamfer there, that was always there. This one's still sweating oil a bit, so I'm going to keep stripping it of said oil. But it's not a crack, it's just visual feature in the rock. This stone is 8 3/16 of an inch long by 1 31/32 of an inch wide by 1 2/16 of an inch deep. It's a pretty big one. The specific gravity of this stone is 2.202, which I tested with the submersion method. Well, light passes into it to some extent. Anyway, figures. The autofocus is hopeless. Anyway, nice big stone.